What's going on, you guys? This is Babbu here, back with another review. This is the BLACK+DECKER Helix Performance Hand Blender. And on display they have some attachments here. Let's go ahead and open her up. So as you can see here, the packaging is very beautiful. Beautiful graphics, the logo there, picture of the product. Let's go ahead and open her up. So these are the attachments. So these are the dough hooks that I imagine is for whisking. And these are just general mixing. And these ones here are for general mixing. Now that's really interesting. It's a kind of like a poly plastic material here. Very sturdy though, however. And here's what we've been waiting for. Here is the mixer. Here is the mixer. Very cool, very beautiful, very sleek. I love these colors. It's a black, and this is the 5 speeds that they have here. 0 to 5. And that's turbo to really get her going. Outside of that comes with a standard American plug. And this is a snap-on case. There we go. So while recording this, I totally forgot to get a field test. So here's some footage of another hand mixer. This isn't the exact brand, but it just goes to show you what a product like this can do. And overall, it's a great product. I use it almost every day. Thank you so much for watching my review on the BLACK+DECKER hand blend mixer. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with a friend and leave a comment. And if you'd like to purchase the product, it's in my link description below. Let me know what to review next.